Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with MG HS, a lovely SUV. Currently in Croatia we have two trims available for this car, so you can either go for the comfort or luxury. So this is the luxury trim, finished in the beautiful diamond red color. Goes very well with the chrome details on the car. So you can spot the LED lights. You also saw the dynamic indicators, chrome edges of the fog lights, and then the grille itself has this chrome inserts as well. Massive MG badge. And let's unlock the car once again. Now you saw the dynamic indicators. This is the side profile, 4 meters 57.4 centimeters. Luxury trim has got the 18-inch wheels, chrome line here as well. And let me show you the rear of the car. This is my favorite angle of the car. Dual rear exhaust. So this is really impressive and not something that you see often in modern day cars. Also, let me just lock it now. You saw the dynamic indicators at the rear as well. And then also when you unlock the car, and beautiful signature of those lights. Now if we open the tailgate, we have the electric one. Here we are greeted with 448 liters. Some additional room is here, and also you can pull this cover for more privacy. Press this, the tailgate closes, and we are ready to depart on a nice relaxed night point of view test drive with this lovely SUV. And look at this, look at the interior. So this car has also got the style package, which gives you the red details throughout the whole interior, and it really looks gorgeous, makes it stand out so much. But now let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, and we are ready to go. Press the start engine button, comes to life. And this is the lovely view in front of us. 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the main touchscreen. This is the gear selector, gear lever for the 7-speed DCT automatic transmission. And the thing is, in Croatia you can get either the DCT or 6-speed manual at the same price. So same price for both the automatic one and the manual one. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. I think a lot of customers will go for this DCT. It is very smooth, as you will see now during the drive. So yeah, definitely a recommendation, even though I also love manuals, but if you have the same price, this seems like a more reasonable choice. And let us now put it to drive, release the electronic parking brake, and we are ready to go. So this car has got the 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 162 horsepower, 250 newton meters of torque, and then in combination with this DCT 7-speed automatic transmission, you get acceleration from 0 to 100 in 9.4 seconds. Top speed is 190 kilometers per hour. Now the layout here in front of us is really nice. So as I said, 12.3-inch digital cockpit, and then in the middle you get the 10.1-inch main touchscreen, and actually you also have a lot of functions here, also a lot of driver assist and safety systems that make the drive smooth. Now the style package really makes the car stand out. It is the optional extra. It is, I believe, around 500 euros now on the configurator, and yeah, you get this red details, and it really suits the car in my opinion. Tell me in the comments, do you agree? I also love the whole layout here, the design of the dashboard. I mean, just look at those air vents, and yeah, well, definitely great interior and nice place to be. So we will now depart this garage and go on a nice relaxed night point of view test drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. There we go. And I mentioned the air vents. In order to control the AC, you need to press this shortcut, or you have it on the home screen as well. So just press this, and here is how you adjust the air blower. And then this is for the temperature. This car also has the heated seats, and actually you will get used to these functions, so it's not hard really to adjust the AC. So even though it is the touch controlled AC, it is still pretty easy to use it. And you do have the physical buttons here, which are basically the shortcuts for the various functions, such as the shortcut for the AC menu. You also get the shortcut here for the car settings, and the car has got the lovely navigation as well. So let's put it on. There we go. And not sure how much can you see now actually, but lovely 3D view of the buildings. On our left, National Theatre, and then you can also spot it here as well. And the gear selector, so you put it to drive, but you pull it towards you once again, and you are now in the S mode. So this is basically like the sporty mode for the gearbox, which would give you higher revs, and the whole, you know, experience is a bit different, more sporty when you are in the S mode. There's also the blind spot assist, you see it here. So there's the car in our blind spot, but we're just using the indicator now to show you that, and also to indicate that I am turning left on this intersection. But yeah, this warns you that the car is in your blind spot, and then if you turn on the indicator and you have the car here, it will also start to flash to warn you and tell you not to change the lane. And the ambient lights are so cool. I will show you now the different colors that are available. And now here is where you can adjust various colors that are available. Very cool indeed. I will show you that when we will be stationary. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite, which ambient light color. Now we will be stationary, so we can do it. I quite like the red one because it goes with the theme in the car. So yeah, everything in red. Also the car is red, so that's cool. Anyway, I want to show you the pulsing mode. Look at this now. Pulsing. How cool is that? So it's pulsating. That's nice. And yeah, here is once again where you can adjust the air blower. You can also turn off the AC if you want. Then yeah, start stop off, you can switch it off here. Just press the button. So I actually now switched it off. Then 360 camera is here. Look at this, all angles. And yeah, well, tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts on this MG HS? And let's continue the drive. And this car is very practical. For example, look at this, 2 USB ports, 12-volt power supply. You can also adjust the incline for the rear seats. And yeah, all of that I showed in my full review, so you can watch that video on my channel as well. And yeah, today's focus of course is the night drive. I hope you're enjoying this drive as much as I am. And I also need to mention that this car has got the 7-year warranty or 150,000 kilometers. So that is really good. We also have the panoramic sunroof, which is so cool. It's huge. And if we press the driver assist, here you have a bunch of systems: lane assist system, forward collision system, MG pilot, and rear driving assist. All can be adjusted here. And what I also love, small detail but I really love it, is the fact that we also have the ambient lights at the rear. Once again, small detail, but yeah, really love it. And yeah, well, car settings, lighting, ambient light settings. And once again, the pulsing mode turned on. Yeah, that's it. Also here you have the roller, cooled storage area here, and also this can be extended. This is the central console. You can put it to drive and continue the drive. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come with this car, but also with other new models. Stay tuned for that and see you on the next video. Bye bye.